Can depression go away? Well, new groundbreaking research proves that it can. In our last video, we discussed how genetics play a huge part in how likely people are to suffer from depression. The link is in the description if you didn't see the video. We talked about how people who are genetically predisposed for depression have a 50% higher risk of suffering from the condition, even suffering from it repeatedly. If depression is ingrained in our DNA, our genetic makeup, how do we have any hope of conquering it? Well, for decades it was believed that our genetic code, from the moment it is formed, predetermined every aspect of who we are and who we will be. All of our traits and even the diseases we are likely to suffer from were mapped on a marked road, a path we were destined to walk. Until now. A new and exciting form of genetics research, epigenetics, has emerged and has proven that lifestyle factors can greatly alter our genes, and that our genes are ever-changing based on the way that we live our lives. Epigenetics is the study of changes in gene function that do not involve changes in the actual DNA sequence. To quote the authors of Supergenes, you are not simply the sum total of your genes you are born with. You are the user and controller of your genes, the author of your own biological story. A study conducted at the Spanish National Cancer Center discovered that even though identical twins are genetic mirror images of one another at birth, as they age, they become more and more genetically different due to the different lives they have led. The study also noted that while in theory, identical twins should suffer from similar diseases due to their DNA, the opposite is actually true. Usually they have completely different medical conditions as they age. This shows the power that every life experience, every choice, and every thought that we have has over us and how they transform us over time. Evidence that all different forms of healthy lifestyle choices have a measurable impact on our genes is piling up. From exercise leading to increased brain function, to diet shutting off genes that trigger inflammation, and meditation leading to a faster recovery rate from stress. In his book, Genie in Your Genes, Dr. Dawson Church also cites how gratitude, acts of kindness, optimism, and stress reduction can alter gene expression, oftentimes instantaneously. We are truly the sum of every choice that we make, every action that we take. We possess the power to break down the barriers of the genetics that we were born with and reinvent ourselves. Every positive action that we take has an equal positive reaction in our genes, creating a ripple effect. Every small drop, every small choice will eventually create a wave of fundamental change to who we are. We are beautiful, ever-changing, complex machines. We have the capacity to alter the parts of ourselves that limit us, including eliminating our higher genetic risk for depression. There is research that shows that gene expression altered by lifestyle changes can be so lasting that it can even affect future generations. Meaning, through our actions today, we can prevent our children and our children's children from suffering from depression like we have. Through positive action, we have the power to end genetically prone depression for good. So the answer is yes. With deliberate, repeated, and concentrated positive actions, if you are committed, depression can absolutely go away. Please subscribe if you haven't. We are Rewired Happy, one thought at a time.